Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Welcome to W3 Skillset YouTube channel. W3 Skillset is not a single YouTube channel. It is a platform to enhance your skills through video lessons on YouTube, training and informative blogs on website, and also you can approach us for online trainings or classroom trainings. We have more than 5 years of training experience and we train more than 1500 professionals through online training sessions, classroom trainings and webinars. W3 Skillset training are available on website, YouTube and Facebook. Links are pasted in the description. So visit our website, subscribe on YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. On YouTube channel, trainings will be available in 2 different languages, Urdu and English. You can learn all about Microsoft Excel from very basic level to advanced level. You can learn Microsoft Power BI, a complete training from database to visualization. You can learn SQL complete database administration on this channel. You can learn video editing. We will teach you 2 different softwares, Premiere, Adobe Premiere and Movavi. There is another skill set which is very demanding nowadays, whiteboard animation. We will teach you whiteboard animation on 2 different platforms. Number 1, VideoScribe. Number 2, Explainio. Then you can learn 2D, 3D animations using Adobe Animate or Maya. The next thing is graphic designing. You will learn Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Inkscape and CorelDRAW. For sure, to utilize all the skills, you must know how to freelance your work. So you can learn all about Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, Freelancer.com and so many other platforms from where you can earn money using your skill sets. You can learn website development from registering a domain to creating complete website. You can learn WordPress, complete website development. PrestaShop is a very useful and beautiful software to create your own online store free. In digital era, choose your path and learn new skill, then master into particular skill set. For sure, you can earn online more than your expectations. Happy learning and good luck.